Back to the TT Assen track.
It's not raining. What's happening?
Previous video we had a lot of rain.
Rain falling down. Rain.
So let's see how it goes today. Are you well prepared?
I just changed my brake pad, so.
Oh, so great.
What's the top speed of your bike?
We did last weekend 205.
Into the ref limiter. So
yeah, you're into the ref limiter.
Perfect for this track. So
yeah.
Let's suit up and get ready.
Yeah. Bye bye.
I'm tired of waiting, lost while I'm sitting at home. Dream of a new destination.
I'm making my bike ready for the track. It's really spectacular. Tire rips are always good for the transponder.
Why do you have that?
So I can see my lap times, but what will it be?
I don't know.
230, 220, 210.
What was it last year in the rain?
In the rain it was like something like 210.
Okay.
So I hope to improve it, but it's gonna be a really hot day, so let's see how the tires are holding up and then. only had for 10 minutes. Feeling is good, it's dry, so let's go to the second session and see how that goes. Our second session. It was a full session, so the complete 20 minutes. I did a 2:05. I want to ride below 2:10, so I succeeded. I'm going home now because I'm done. Presking did 2:10, so maybe he needs a little help. Maybe I will ride in front of him so he can get over under the 2:10. So yeah, little break again, and then we are heading to the third session.
Sometimes you got to get up and go. No limits, no ceiling, no ground. No pressure gonna hold me down. No stopping till I break every rule. No limits to what I can do. Nowhere is too far away. No border gonna stand in my way. No wall that I can't break through. No limits to what I can do. There's silence in the darkness, a chaos underneath.
That's the end of our sessions.
And the end of the day.
Ended up with a 2:08.
Yeah, really good. Improved.
Improved a bit.
Finally under the 2:10.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And you did a 2:02.
Yeah, last session.
So pretty happy with the times for a Supermoto.
Yeah.
And we're coming back next month. So
yeah. Let's see how it goes then. Are you gonna go under 2 minutes?
I don't think so, but maybe on the 205
205, yeah, that's doable for
should
you.
be possible. But,
The fast corners you can gain some time.
yep.
Yep.
Yep, so.
That's it. I don't think I can go any faster. I think that's my limit, but we will see next month how it goes. So, okay.
If you want to win one of the 2 wheels, 1 engine 0 limits t-shirts, just comment below. DK is a wanker, and you can win a t-shirt.
So which tires do you have, B2B?
I have the Metzeler's Race Deck RR. On the back I have the K3, and on the front I have the K1. So K1 is more soft, but it's on the front, so it doesn't matter.
Okay, and what kind of sprockets do you have?
1642, just a stock sprocket.
1642.
1642. I have a Motormaster flame disc, as you can see. Then I have the stock Brembo, and then the pump is a Brembo RCS 15. And now how about you, Crash King?
I have the Continental Attack SM Evo, reliable tire, perfect for the street and on the track. And I run a 1647 sprocket setup. I got a Brembo M50 caliper, Motormaster disc. The master cylinder is a 16 by 18 by Brembo as well, I think. What about motor-wise? What did you change?
Motor-wise?
Yeah, is it completely stock or is it just...
No, I have installed a power commander. Also have a DNA filter, stage 2. And I have the aero exhaust and then of course some shiny carbon from P3. Extra horsepower. Carbon is always extra horsepower. And how about you, Crash King? Because you have a new bike. 2022 model, right?
Yep. No power commander available, so no power commander on my bike. Only got a race carriage air filter and the aero exhaust.
That should do it. So, see you in the next video.
Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah,
Bye.
thumbs up. Bye bye. Oh, hij ging ongeluk, man. Hij ging ongeluk, man.
Sorry man.
Excuus, vaat man.